Ministry of Sounds Day for Car Boot Disco, kicking off our Get Trashed campaign. The aim is to save 10,000 items of clothing from landfill. We've got some great names here today in terms of customisers. So we've got the Urbanist, who's going to be spray painting on various types of clothing. We've got Use It Up, Wear It Out, who've got loads of fantastic kind of studs, beads, safety pins. We've got People of Print, who do lots of screen printing, jazzing up your items of clothing. And we've also got Spanglewear.
I never really realised how much stuff actually gets thrown away. I think it's such a good idea to sort of bring it along because there's always someone who will want something that you don't want anymore.
They should do this a lot more often. It's a good thing, like, to swap the clothes and not doing too much rubbish.
I think that it's great to just like reinvent rather than just chucking it away or in the bin. So yeah, that's been really cool.
I see loads of people like just picking things up and sort of maybe thinking in their minds how they can sort of transform it and stuff. So it's interesting to see.
12% of all the stuff that goes into landfill is for clothes, which I think is shocking. So anything I can do to support that is what I'm here. Save clothes from a landfill.
#GetTrashed.